Hi sir, good morning. So anyway sir, I have found the solution on how to implement the WhatsApp SMS. So I'm using this Ultra message, so which is we need to buy an API for SMS integration. So for this account sir is only a trial version. So I will show you on how to work this SMS by WhatsApp. So this is my mobile phone screen. So when the students tap the ID number, so the message will come out in the screen, so for notification. So I will this is the format of the number. So you need to enter the plus sign followed by country code and your mobile number. So this is the example. So this is the WhatsApp integration. So the SMS is working 100% in our country. Then I have integrate the WhatsApp SMS. So I will try to enter the ID number. Then the message will come out in the screen. So this is my mobile phone screen. Okay, so I will try to enter the um, ID number of the student. So for example, okay, so as you can see, sir, we have received the message. So this one. So I will try another example. So I will delete first the SMS. I mean the attendance. Okay, so I will input the ID number. Okay, so as you can see, you have received the SMS. So this is the WhatsApp integration. So I will forward the updated project, so you can try on your country. So but you need to buy the API, so that um I can set the API number in the system. Okay, so as you can see, the SMS by WhatsApp is working 100%. Okay, so that's so this is the site, so ultramessage.com. So you need to register, and please provide me the only the instant ID and the token number. So for example, this is my SMS API. So this is the token number. Okay, so for example, this is the token number, and this is the stand ID and token number. So you need to provide this one, these two. So I will set the system this token number and the stand ID for SMS. So all messages is this is the inbox, so from the system. Okay, just let me know, sir, if you provide us the instance ID and the token number.